Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a specific Google Chrome extension which allows you to directly print any web page with a single click. So the name is Print for Google Chrome. If you directly search this, the very first extension which comes. So it actually prints the current page with a single click. You don't need to do extra job. As you click the add to Chrome, the extension will be added. So this allows you to directly print how many copies. It has a nice interface. So once it is get added, let me just, so now the icon will appear something like this. And now if you go to any page, any website, as soon as you click on that, as you see, it will directly open the print window, and right here you can select how many pages, layout. You can select more settings as well. So as soon as you open this, it will open the print window, and so it will detect total number of pages. This is the extension. With a single click, this opens the print window, official print window. So definitely check out this extension. It's specifically for Google Chrome. So it actually, you simply click on the button and this actually opens the print window automatically. So definitely check this out.